You ready to get off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Say hi.
That's when you should see what's in the mouth.
What are you gonna do?
Apple.
Where are you going?
Mm.
Huh? Where are you taking the train to?
Mm.
Where?
Well,
Home?
okay.
Home? You gonna take the train home?
No.
No? You're not gonna take the train home? Or we're gonna take it around the park? We're gonna take a ride around the park?
Apple.
Yes.
I hope you enjoy our journey. All aboard. They can live up to be 100 years of age and weigh as much as 500 pounds. To the right, the McCalls, Chip and Katie. Chip is the redhead. Over on the left, the red pandas, Justin and Maya. Island on the right, you'll find the spider monkeys from South America.
All the way up top. You liking it, Max? You liking the train ride? Hold on.
Here across the pond after that, you'll find the anteaters, corn dog and Joe Hay. Next island is the ringtail lemurs from Madagascar. They're usually right down below their shanties. Right there by the boat, you see our emu named Imogene.
Roller coaster?
And further down here around the bend, you'll find our kangaroos.
Especially like the ones that like go really high up and like drop you.
Hold on, Matthew. Hold on. Here. Hold on. Hold on right here.
Coming around the bend, the brown building, you'll find Smiley the alligator. 10 feet long, 400 pounds. Know what you call an alligator if he sneaks up behind you? A tailgater. Here's the zoo hospital. Take care of 140 animals and species. Also have their routine checkups there. Over to the right, you'll find Fred and Edlin, the two red foxes. Next door on the back side are the bobcats, Mary Jo and Gunther. Coming out of the tunnel far right, the North American bison. Geronimo's the old man at 20 years of age, 1,800 pounds. Zipper and Bobby are the younger ones, at 4 years of age. Here's the river otters, Sam and Shadow the males, Francis and Wildcat the females. On our left's going to be a giraffe exhibit, along with other animals roaming around in there. Look over to the left, you'll see the doorways. They're 18 feet tall. On the dirt's going to be a platform. You walk up on, feed the giraffes, look around. Back over to the right, you can see Geronimo and the others lying down with a red-tailed hump named Betty. Thank you for riding the Zoo Express. Hope you enjoy the remaining of your day. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.
We're
You
back
can
where we
depart on the
started.
left towards the rear.
Ma, you finish? You ready to get off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.